Okay, let's open this box. This is for Legos, and I will open the box. Sorry about the open it up right here, right here. Let's see, right here, man, and right here, man. Okay, yes. Let's see what we get inside this box. It's Titan for protection. Good. Okay. Let's open it up and get rid of the plastic. Okay. Good. Let's see what we've got here inside. This is for Lego. This is differential. Let's see inside the first one. This one, it's a differential application for my Legos experimentation. This is, yeah, man, this is differential. Yeah, fine, good, man. I will try to work with this, man. Okay, this is the first thing that I got, the differential. The second one will be this one. Let me see. Yes, for change the throw, man, for motors. Let's open it up. Where is the, yes, right here, man. Yes, right here. This is the differential. Yes, man. Differentials. I don't know how this work, but something I will try to explain it. This is differential. This is for throw, man. Let's see another one that I bought, but this is for Lego. This is a linear actuator. Let's open it up. Right here, man. Let's see. Yes. How work? I don't know. Less in the other. Okay. That's what I've got so far. Let me show you everything right here, man. And the differential, man. Here is everything in that one. Thank you. Bye for now.